Lady C, it's been a while that you gave us breakfast recipe. What is going on? I am here with another banger for you, my darling. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another breakfast recipe. So let's begin. Start by adding instant yeast in a bowl. To that, I will add 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less. Now I move in with warm water. You can substitute the warm water with warm milk, all right? Mix to combine very well. Now it is time to move in with 1 egg and a cup of vanilla flavor. At this point, feel free to add any other ingredients of your choice. Your preferences is okay, all right? Mix to combine very well. It is time to sift in the flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, all right? Once I sift in the flour, it is time to move in with my fingers and start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, once the dough comes together, I transfer to the work surface. It is time to add margarine. I added 50 grams of margarine. Once I add the margarine, I will continue mixing and kneading till I form a smooth dough. At this point, I notice that the dough is a bit sticky, so I dust with some flour, continue mixing and kneading till I have this smooth baby looking at me right here. Now I transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl, cover and keep anywhere warm around my home to prove. 30 minutes later, voila! The dough has doubled in size as you can see. Now I'm gonna chop knuckle with that dough, transfer back to the work surface. I'm gonna knead for a few seconds to take out the air before we move to the next level. Once that is done, I am going to divide the dough into 2 equal parts. I'm going to set one aside and start working with the other half. Before then, I'm going to dust the work surface with some flour. This will make the dough not to stick while rolling. Arrange the dough in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Moving with a rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Blessing, watching from Nigeria. Andrew from Malawi, Afcon watching from Ghana, and Sharon all the way from Cyprus. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Some of you will always ask me, where is the measurement? I always leave the measurement at the description box. The description box is always under the same video that you are watching. Also, I always pinned the measurement at the comment section. Always check the first comment at the comment section, all right? Okay, now after rolling into a flat dough like this one, about 2 or 3 cm thickness, all right, it is time to move in with tomato ketchup. Lady C, what if I don't have tomato ketchup? What can I use? You can use pizza sauce, tomato paste, or mayonnaise, all right? Now, as you can see, I didn't rub the ketchup all over the dough. I left about 1/3 of the dough. Now, I'm going to use a round mold to perforate the part that I didn't rub the ketchup, all right? Once that is done, pick up the round dough and place it where you rubbed the ketchup. I hope you understand what is going on. Please don't throw that away. It is part of the filling. At this point, you can add any other protein of your choice. I am adding sardine. You can add shredded chicken, minced beef, or boiled eggs. But please do not add too much, okay, so that you won't find it difficult to fold. Once you are done adding, it is time to fold gently. Fold as demonstrated on the video. Now you you are going to continue folding till you get to the end. You should have this looking at you. Repeat the same process to the other half. You should have these cuties looking at you. Oh, I love it. I love the shape. It is time to cover. We are going to cover again and allow to prove for the second time. First, I cover with a film and with a kitchen towel. 40 minutes later, voila! It has doubled in size again. This can be more than 40 minutes or less, depending on how warm your environment is, all right? Now you can go ahead and bake just the way it is, or you can brush with a beaten eggs. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. Finally, I'm moving with the toppings. This is totally optional. I am topping with flax seed. You can add sesame seed, all right? Once that is done, go ahead and bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes, and there you have it. Voila! Look at that! It came out so well. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. It came out so well. Now I transfer to a rack and allow to cool down completely. But we can't wait. Everyone in the house is hungry. They can't wait to devour this yumminess. Perfectly baked. Go ahead and marry with your loved ones. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia. Super yummy. This can be enjoyed with tea, coffee, warm milk, or any beverage of your choice. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Super delicious. Try it and get back to me as usual. Remember, homemade is better than junk. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.